Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg drop sandwich box, full guide. Start by prepping 2 large eggs, a pinch of salt and pepper, and softened butter on 2 slices of bread. Heat a non-stick pan over medium, whisk eggs gently, and keep bread nearby for quick assembly when eggs are just set. Gently cook the whisked eggs over medium heat, stirring slowly to form large, tender curds. When the eggs are slightly underdone and creamy, remove from heat and add a dab of butter for shine and flavor. Then quickly fold in grated cheese if desired and season to taste, so the filling remains moist when placed into the sandwich box. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can bring more simple recipes your way. Quick recommendation: the O-Ala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you eat on the go and pairs perfectly with a sandwich box for lunchtime convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lightly toast your bread to give structure, then butter the insides sparingly to create a moisture barrier. Place warm, creamy eggs onto one slice, add optional greens or cheese, then top and press gently into your sandwich box. This compact method preserves texture and keeps the sandwich from sliding, making it perfect for a grab-and-go meal or packed lunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.